Interested in learning about the stock market? Read on. Simple techniques can help you conquer any goal. Whether you want to learn about the stock market or how to invest your money properly, learning as much as you can about how other successful people do it, will lead you to your own success. Read on for some tips from experts in the field, which can help you to better your strategies. Don't expect too much too soon from the stock market. If you think that you will make a mountain of money immediately, you are mistaken. The only way to make a significant return on your money is to take on a very risky stock. While there's a chance you may be successful, more likely than not you will end up losing some or all of your money. To get the most out of your stock market investments, set up a long-term goal and strategy. Be realistic when investing. In order to maximize your profits, make sure you try and hold onto your stocks as long as you can. Stocks are much more than the paper that certifies your shares. Stocks represent a collective ownership in the company that you have invested in. You are then entitled to both claims and earnings on assets. You may even have a voice in determining the company's leadership and policies if your stock includes voting options. Know the risks of different types of investments. Stocks are generally riskier than bonds, for instance. Riskier investments, generally, have higher payoff potentials, while less risky vehicles tend to provide lower, more consistent returns. Understanding the differences between different vehicles can allow you to make the best decisions about what to do with your money, in both the short and long terms. Buy stocks with a better return than the market average, which is 10%. If you'd like to estimate your return from a stock, find the earnings growth rate that's projected and add that to the dividend yield. A stock that yields 2% and has 12% earnings growth might give you a 14% return overall. To make your stock market investing more efficient, try a good stock management software package. Tracking stock prices and trends can be much easier when you use your software to generate the information you need. Add your own personal notes for company information and analyze your data regularly. The cost of these software products is worth the investment. It is important to understand what a P ratio is when investing in common stocks. P ratio is short for price to earnings ratio and is a reflection of what the price of stock is compared to how much money it earns. Using the P ratio when valuing stocks helps to judge whether the stock is a bargain compared to the money it generates, or whether it is selling at a premium. It is not the only thing to consider, of course, but it's one basic indicator of a stock's relative worth. There is so much knowledge condensed into this video that you should feel confident that you can now invest your money wisely. As long as you implement the ideas you've read, you should find that your investments return a profit, which is up to par with your benchmarks over time. Good luck with your newfound success. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega whining trader, Barthélemy MC.